Hey guys, Curtis Jackson from JTech here, and today we're going to be doing the fuel pressure testing and some of the known causes. Well, for the sake of the video, I have to go over causes, effects, and the types, also some of the tests that we do. So some of the causes of a low fuel pressure test can be low pressure in the system can be long cranks while trying to start the car, poor acceleration, bad fuel economy, you lose loss of power, the car tends to stall, and overall just makes your car work harder. Some of the effects of this can be weak regulator, it can be weak pump, a damaged hose, it can be leaking injector, restricted filter, so it's clogged, the filter's all clogged and everything. The regulator's stuck open, so it's just dumping all kinds of fuel into it. Check valve fails, damaged lines. And we got two types of cars out here. It's between return and returnless. And the car I'm doing, which is the car I'm sitting in now, it looks pretty nice. It's a Hyundai Accent, which is it's returnless, I believe. And so the types of pressure tests that are out there is static, running, dynamic, and deadhead. But if you know this car doesn't require deadhead. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to leave it out. Alright, and let's get started. Different between returnless and return type. Return type has two lines that go to and from the regulator, but in returnless, the regulator is equipped onto the fuel pump as an assembly. And that's just a quick little overview about the differences between the two. Alright, so first test is the static pressure test. Static pressure test, simply key on, engine on. We got our pressure gauge all hooked up and everything, and I'm gonna have my assistant just simply turn on put the car into the on position, and this gauge should shoot up to a pressure. Alright, try it. This is the pressure. This is the pressure that you get when you do the static pressure test. The running test, and then the dynamic test. I'm gonna have my associate start the car to get the running test. Sorry. So you can see that number. So there you go, focuses. It is higher than the last time. Last time was at 40, about 46. So yeah, which we found out is under spec. It needs to be at 49, which isn't a good thing here. It needs more fuel and pressure. So it's definitely a problem somewhere. Right now it's at 52. Alright, and that's the running test. Next will be the dynamic, which is the snap throttle. So I'm gonna have my friend snap the throttle. As you can see, it dips down and then it goes back. It kind of goes back up. Maximum reach is about 55. That's not much of a problem, but it does dip down, which is a problem. So that would indicate that there is a problem, a leak somewhere in the system, or a faulty part. No one knows for sure. You have to really get into the details and schematics and everything. 1 second. You can turn it off. But other than that, that was how you do fuel pressure tests. That's how you would check it. The 3 different kinds of tests using this little guy over here, our handy dandy fuel pressure gauge, fuel gauge. Ew, how nasty. And thank you. It's been Curtis Jackson from JTech, and talk to you later. So another thing I forgot to mention, quick comeback in the pressure testing. So static pressure tester is key on, engine off. Running is key on, engine running. Dynamic is when you snap throttle.